What are we cooking tonight?
We're doing 4 racks of pork spare ribs.
Ribs are all prepped. We got seasoning on them.
Get a little.
It's mid-March. West Michigan. Got quite a bit of snow yet. It's going to rain tonight. High 30s, probably 40 degrees. But this Acorn grill or smoker has no issues with it'll work in all temperatures. Check out a few features of this Acorn.
It's a Kamado Joe. We're cooking on a Kamado Joe here. Ceramic grill using the iCommand. With the iCommand app, we're gonna get this thing fired up and get the grill rolling. Fans blowing and get this thing running.
It's pretty turnkey.
Absolutely.
All right, grill's up to temp. This is kind of a last minute smoke for us. We didn't plan it until about an hour ago. So it's about, what time is it? 5:30?
About 5:30.
5:30. So these baby back ribs, pork ribs, they're about 2.5 pounds each, kind of smaller. We're doing 4. There's a 2-for-1 sale. We're gonna double rack it. Seasoning is a big blend, and I'll post it. You can let these sit. We let these sit for about 30 minutes with the rub on them. You can let them sit up to 8 hours, refrigerated. And we're gonna do kind of manual. Right?
Manual. We're gonna run this manual. Just man the grill with the vents. Control the temperature right at about 250.
We're here. We're hanging out. We got a hot tub. Got a Michigan State game coming up here, so there's no reason to do the high tech.
45 minutes in, hour in,
30 minutes in.
30 minutes in. All right. Got to burp the grill. We're looking pretty darn good. We're gonna flip them here. Thinking we might flip and change over the positioning. Nice and limp.
Looking good.
Oh yeah.
Temperature stayed steady at about 250. Figured out the right exhaust valve opening width. Checking out for now.
Hours in a week.
A full hour.
All right, burping the grill again here. About an hour in. We're gonna baste them a little bit with some barbecue sauce.
Flip them.
We're gonna flip as well. Put them all up on top here. We get our baste going. Dogs into the drippings a little bit. Sadie Mae.
Got a couple more guests here. Jeff Rose here. Cliffy.
Well, it's probably didn't get a good shot with the light behind me. I don't know if you wanna.
Cliffy's been featured on one of these videos.
Little Chief.
Yep, Little Chief.
Little Chief smoker. I run an electric little smoker.
So after this step, we've got about an hour and a half of just letting them smoke. We've had to kind of babysit a little bit. So every half hour we'd flip and rotate, and then now baste. So once this is done, we'll close it up, get it back to 250, and let her sit.
We are. Burp the grill a little bit. About 3.5 hours in. check what we're at here. We're about probe tender. 180 degrees. 85, 86. We're climbing a little bit. We're about ready to be pulled. They're probe tender. We're thinking
Another test is the flexibility. If they have a slight bend in the middle, yep, they do.
we're real close to being done here. Might slather them up a little bit more with the barbecue, give them a little bit more smoke, and then we're ready to roll.
The game is started, so we're gonna have to not get distracted. But that shouldn't be a problem. We're getting hungry.
About 3.5, 4 hours in. Nice noodly. Pulling them off. Gonna wrap for about 30, 40 minutes. Let them rest. Whoa, 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 whoa. They're perfectly tender. Not too fall apart. We're gonna let them rest for about 30, 35 minutes, and they will be primo.
All right, so the final step, and this is important, is to let it rest for a little bit. They're wrapped, a couple of layers of aluminum foil, and then we put some towels over it. Probably about a half an hour, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna put some potato fries on, some garlic bread, we got some sides.
Coals. I think we usually do the Coles garlic bread.
Yep, we should be ready to eat by halftime.
Good.
Cooked them about 3.5, 4 hours. Got them about probe tender. Let them rest for half hour, 40 minutes. Wrapped in foil, put a little blanket over them. Let them congealiate a little bit in there. So we're looking about primo here. These are some good ribs, boys. Like in prime. How are they there, Jeff?
I've been snooping them and they're fantastic.
Bon appetit.
Awesome.